Learning at Mathare North Mennonite Church School was paralyzed as parents stormed the school to forcibly evict a priest who they accused of getting rid of the headmaster in ongoing leadership wrangles at the school. The parents demanded that the accused head pastor, known as Caleb, step down. NTV's Helen Aura with details of the wrangles at the church-run school.
Drama unfolded at Mathare North Mennonite Church School as parents stormed the institution, demanding that the head pastor, known as Pastor Caleb, leave the institution. It is alleged that Pastor Caleb had been suspended due to allegations of mismanagement of funds. Parents accused him of hiring goons on Monday to oust the school's head teacher so that he could fill the position with his preferred appointee.
Now the pastor who was suspended due to the misuse of some fund came yesterday and ejected the school teacher. And here we have the children who are going to sit for their exam. Where do they want us to take the knee?
However, other parties claimed that the head teacher who was ousted did not have credible papers for the position and pointed fingers towards the former chairman, Joash, who they accused of creating a rift.
He is coming and bringing war in this institution that has been there for over the years under the leadership of one Pastor Caleb, who was sick, and he took advantage of that to grab everything for himself.
They defended the so-called Pastor Caleb, who was evicted today. Parents want the matter resolved immediately so that learning can resume. Helen Aura, NTV.